Hey there, welcome back to Psych Sizzle. I know it has been a while since I posted the last video, but I am glad you are here, and today we're talking about something that silently affects so many of us: overthinking. If you've ever replayed a conversation from 3 days ago, or stressed endlessly over a small decision, you're definitely not alone. Overthinking feels like your brain is stuck on a loop, right? One thought leads to another, and suddenly you're anxious, restless, and exhausted, without even doing anything. But here's the thing, thinking too much doesn't actually help us solve anything. It just keeps us stuck. Now, let's be real. Sometimes it feels like overthinking is useful. You might tell yourself, I'm just being thorough, or I'm trying to make the best decision, but what you're really doing is getting caught in a cycle of fear. Fear of making the wrong choice. Fear of what people will think. Fear of messing up. And often, that fear is rooted in past experiences. Maybe someone criticized you. Maybe you were punished for making a mistake. Or maybe you've just learned to expect the worst. So now your brain thinks, if I prepare for every scenario, I'll be safe. But guess what? It never makes you feel safer. It just makes you tired. So let's go through 6 signs that show you might be overthinking, and I'll walk you through what each one really looks like in daily life. 1. You replay conversations in your head. You leave a conversation and boom, the loop starts. Why did I say that? Did I sound rude? Did they think I was awkward? Even when the other person hasn't shown any signs of discomfort, you keep analyzing every word, every pause, every look. It's like your brain becomes your own worst critic, and it won't let the moment go. 2. You second-guess almost every decision. And I mean everything from what outfit to wear to which word to use in a text. You send a message, then stare at it. Should I have added a smiley? Did that sound cold? And when you do make a choice, you keep wondering if it was the right one. You look for reassurance from others, but even after you get it, you're still not convinced. 3. You imagine worst-case scenarios. It starts with a small worry. Maybe your friend doesn't reply right away. Instead of assuming they're just busy, your mind goes, are they mad at me? Then it jumps further. What if they stop talking to me? What if I end up alone? Overthinking loves drama. Your mind creates these emotional movies that rarely ever come true, but they feel real in the moment. 4. You can't sleep because your brain won't shut off. You're lying in bed, your body's tired, but your brain? Wide awake. You're thinking about things that happened years ago. You're worrying about things that haven't happened yet and might never happen. It's like your thoughts get louder when the world goes quiet. 5. You feel mentally tired, even if you haven't done much. You could have had a slow day, barely left the house, but your brain feels like it's been running a marathon. That's because overthinking burns mental energy. It's constant, repetitive, and exhausting, like having 20 tabs open in your head all at once. 6. You get stuck in the what-if cycle. What if I fail? What if I say the wrong thing? What if they don't like me? These thoughts feel like they're protecting you, helping you prepare. But what they're actually doing is feeding your fear. They stop you from acting, from speaking up, from trying, and over time, that creates anxiety and self-doubt. If this sounds like you, it's okay. You're human. And the good news is there are ways to break free. First, start by noticing your thoughts. Ask yourself, am I solving a problem or just spinning in circles? Naming it helps. You can say, oh, I'm overthinking again. That awareness gives you control. Next, try setting a worry window. Literally give yourself 10 minutes a day to think about all the things that stress you out. But once that time's up, move on. It trains your brain to let go instead of holding on all day. Mindfulness is another powerful tool. Bring your focus back to the present moment. Use grounding techniques like noticing 5 things you can see, 4 you can touch, 3 you can hear, 2 you can smell, and 1 you can taste. It's simple, but powerful. It pulls you out of your head and into the now. Also, move your body. Physical movement helps stop mental spirals. And don't keep everything inside.
Talk to someone.
Journaling, therapy, or even venting to a friend can help you hear your thoughts from the outside, and they sound a lot less scary that way. Overthinking won't disappear overnight, but with practice, you can start creating more peace in your mind. You deserve that. If this video helped you, give it a like, and hit subscribe for more content around mental wellness and self-awareness. And let me know in the comments, what's something you always overthink about? Thanks for watching. And remember, you are not your thoughts. You can learn to let go.